I've been back there looking for Bigfoot to help showcase our new beast ramps on all of our deck over trailers. He's nowhere to be found, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about him. So for years, we've always built heavy duty ramps for our trailers. These specific ramps right here are 4-inch channel and a 2x2 angle on top. These are awesome for your super heavy machines that max out the payload on these. We've gotten a lot of questions about, do you build mega ramps or rampage style ramps? We do now. We're coming out with our new beast ramps for our gooseneck trailers so that they do fold back on themselves to make that full deck flat on the dovetail so you're able to use it for longer material, things of that sort. But we also still offer our go-to style ramp for loading your heavy machines, something that's going to be able to hold up with the weight and not bend over time. These are our new beast ramps. These are going to be an upgradable option on all of our gooseneck and deck over models. So bumper pull tag trailers, the gooseneck trailers, basically anything that's 8.5 wide, we can do these ramps on. These are going to be super, super nice for guys that want to make that dovetail all the way flat so they can haul the long material, add pallets to the back end of your trailer and utilize that whole deck. Also, as they are full width, so if you're riding a 3-wheeled machine or 3-wheeled motorcycle, anything up these ramps, you can do it. But you can also use it for your heavier excavators and skid steers as well. So it's a really all-around ramp that works in many different ways with the application on this trailer. With our ramp options here at Bigfoot, it seems to be endless. Every day we come out with something new on them. We have our beast ramps, which are similar to the mega ramp style. We have our standard ramps, which are just your standard 24-inch wide flip ups that are heavy duty. They're going to handle the machine you put on there year after year without bending. And also we have this option here, which is going to be a 36-inch wide hydraulic assisted ramp. That's going to be awesome for when you have these heavy machines and you don't want to have to flip up that really heavy ramp to hold that machine. We can do angle iron topped on these, mesh topped, wood topped ramps for your steel tracked machines. It's a really awesome option and we do it at a pretty affordable price for what it is. So on all of our hydraulic assist ramps, we're gonna have this safety chain on here that holds the ramp up during transport so that you don't have any issues of the hydraulic cylinder failing and the ramp dropping down on the ground. You're going to release the pressure off of that chain, take the chain off, and then we're gonna show you how these ramps work in action. Another awesome addition we do to these hydraulic ramps is we add these feet landing gear on here so that you know when somebody's riding behind you, they know that you're pulling a Bigfoot trailer. So if you want quality and American-made products, come see us at Bigfoot Trailers or give us a call. And we're going to show you and tell you about all the options we offer here to make the trailer best fit for you. Machines. Am I supposed to be looking around like back and forth these So on these gooseneck trailers, excuse me, goosenecks and our heavy duty a number 2 grade wood, or is it number 2? Oh, I don't want to say that because I'm not sure. It may be number 1. Full width, full mega style, mega. What do you want? No, I'm just kidding. Or, well, we call them beast ramps, or so these are a 4. Wow, what the it gives you the flat. I hate this.